they could win this. Tough to read when it's going down the line or when it's going cross-court. And wow. Pitchford's coach player, otherwise he could have even been in this tournament right now. The men's team players. I'd say Chodang has the slightly can get in the way sometimes. Hold it on the planet. Nicely to stay unpredictable. As the serves, reverse pendulum. Yeah. Oh. 19. Oh, can't complain too much. But did the trick. Here's game points to Chodang. Intent behind the push. Oh, and brush it aside if you Pitchford there. Two, three. It's never lost to him. That was in 2020, so quite a while ago. The coach's tactics very effectively and consistently. And shouldn't be too troubled by the scoreline now. And now it's asking questions of Pitchford's footwork. From Chodang, 5 game points. And from China. Whoa. Wow, that is very powerful play. It's done now. Can't. That shot there. Dominant game. First end. Plays across the... Excellent the backhand, but he's quite quick. Naturally lower centre of gravity. He's already naturally lower. That's why Pitchford's block went into the net. This one. It's been an all serve receive pretty much. Oh. Clever on him. Oh. Chodang. Pitchford, I want you to come in on this ball. And the Englishman couldn't. It's the Chodang. Attack comfortably at all. Oh, it's in touch to touch a lot, so I guess it would hit the net a bit close. A bit more with the shovel serve. That's a... Whoa! Did it nicely. Oh. So, shovel serve. Oh. Same serve again. Clever. You need time for... again with the shovel. Oh. Oh. Any of the past here in this tournament of that. Amazing brush up. Oh, and their serves in this game. It's more relaxed. Oh, it's a... but didn't come down. Coming in with the shovel. That's excellent play. This. Ooh. Oh. Showdown.